It's okay to fail. Just don't give up. First, I want to change that whole statement because I don't like the word fail because failure kind of feels like the end. So I like to swap out the word fail with learn. So when I restate that now, when I instead of saying it's okay to fail, I want to say it's okay to learn. Just don't give up or don't quit, however you want to say it, but learn. Learning is a continuous thing instead of a finite thing because we're going to continue to learn all throughout our lives. So it's okay to keep learning. It's okay to keep trying things and having to potentially try it again. I talked before in one of my videos about the thing when we said when we were kids. If at first you don't succeed, try again. That's exactly what this is simply saying. It's okay to learn because when you try again, you never try the same thing twice or three times. Because if you do, you're insane. And that's just not me saying it, that's actually a saying. Doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result is the definition of insanity. So that's not where we want to be. We want to be where we try something and we learn from that something so the next time we try it, we do something different. So that's why I want us to focus on not the fact that it didn't succeed. Notice I'm avoiding that word. That it didn't succeed is that we analyze what didn't work this time and we try something different. That's really how everything in this world works. Nothing is going to be done right the first time. And I will go as far as saying the only way that I will say that someone will fail is when they give up. Because at that point, they no longer want to try. They've done it once, they've done it twice, they may have done it 50 times. But each time they've done it different. And at this point, they just may be tired. And I get that. But you could be just one more effort away from success. So try again. Have that mindset of a child because when we were children, that was our mindset. We tried and we tried and we tried and we tried until we got it. Now, how many times did we try something that it didn't work out? I don't know. I'm sure it happened, but that wasn't our focus. Our focus was never on the things that didn't work. It was always on the focus of the things that we did get to work. So let's change our mindset as well, where once again, it's okay to learn. We did it naturally when we were younger, just because of our inquisitive minds of, oh man, maybe if I run faster, I could jump over this better. Maybe if I jump with a different leg, I can do it better. Maybe if I shot the shot different. Maybe if I studied different. Maybe if I read this line a little bit differently, I would get a different result. But those were the things that we did naturally because we wanted to succeed. We wanted to succeed more than we wanted to quit. Why isn't that the case now? Why do we struggle with the fact of try again? It's okay to learn. It's okay. Once again, we're going to learn throughout our entire life. So why are we stopping now? Why are we stopping when one simple thing doesn't work out the way that we want to? Why don't we change our mindset to go with the direction or the effort that we want to put forward? The problem is that we talk ourselves out of it. It's not even other people at this point. Yes, we may hear what other people have to say, and it bothers us. But we can let that go. We can push through that and still try again. Once again, I have to go back to the mindset of a child where even when we were told we couldn't do it, guess what that did? That actually fueled us. Oh, you don't think I can? Watch me. And we kept trying and kept trying. You don't think I can ride a wheelie around the block? Watch me. You don't think I can play this video game or get to this level in the video game? Watch me. You don't think I can read this many books? Watch me. You don't think I can get a straight A's? Watch me. You don't think I can do whatever? Watch me. Because it's okay to learn. I don't know what else to tell you. That's how we have to live. You know, we always talk about, even when we talk to the kids or our kids or whomever, life is a continuous learning experience every day, because every day is different. Attitudes are different, people are different, situations are different. We may go to the same job, we may go to the same school every day, but guess what? Something's different every day. People's attitudes are different every day. The workload is different every day. Our attitude is different every day. But we learn and we adapt every day. So let's not stop when we're trying to reach our goals. Let's not try and quit, because then that is failing. And we don't like that. It's funny because this here, I was thinking about not doing it. I really was. And then I've had people come over to me. I've had people, whether it's messages, whether it's conversations, that have mentioned it. Hey, I saw your last video. Hey, I was scrolling through Instagram or Facebook or checked out whatever it is, and I saw your video. You know, that was something that was good. Guess what? Those are the things that keep you going. And once again, it's something that I feel like I need to do anyway, but you just got to keep that motivation going. That try again, that try again is not always for you. And that's what I also had to realize, is that no matter how I feel, someone is affected by me doing or not doing this, even if it's just one person. Same thing with you. Somebody is affected by you doing or not doing what you're supposed to do. I like the saying I heard, I think it was Miles Monroe a while back, and I mentioned it in other videos, is that a tree does not bear fruit for itself. It's for us. A tree does not eat its own fruit. A tree does not enjoy its own fruit. It grows fruit for others to enjoy. So what it is that you're supposed to be doing, it's not always about you. Yeah, will it feel good? I'm sure it will. But that's not even the point. Somebody needs what you have, whether it's a word, whether it's a service, whether it's, just you being in your presence, a positive word, a positive thought, a hug, something, like I said, or something that you have, a product that you have in your mind that you're not acting on. Somebody needs that. A store that you're looking to open up that you're hesitant on. Somebody needs that, because that's in your mind for a reason. Especially a lot of stuff that we do is not focused on us. I want to open a store for me? No. I want to open a store to help or to reach these people. I want to start this nonprofit to help or to reach people. I want to do these videos to help or to reach people. It's not about me. It's not about you. It's about those that are going to enjoy the fruits of your labor. So it's okay to learn. Don't be afraid of learning. Don't be afraid what it takes to learn. That's where the discouraging part comes in, is because we don't want that feeling of failure or that unsuccessful try. We want it to be right the first time. Not going to happen. I did a video a while back that says failure is not optional. And that is the correct phrase that I'm using. I'm not saying failure is not an option. I'm saying failure is not optional, which means you're going to fail. And the same way I changed it in this video, I changed it in that video. Learning is not optional. You have to learn to continue to press forward. Or once again, you'll be repeating the same thing over and over again and driving yourself insane. So learning is not optional. It's okay to learn. So don't be afraid what it takes to learn a lesson. It's okay. Don't worry about what people have to say as you're learning your lessons. We all say it. People are going to talk about you whether you succeed or learn. So why do we care? Ask yourself that. Why do you care? Why do you care what the internet has to say about you? They don't know you. They don't know your backstory. They don't know anything when it comes to why you're doing what you're doing. So why do you let their opinion stop you? And I'm saying that to you just as much as I'm saying it to me right now. Stop caring. That's what I said in my last video. One of the points I made. Start to stop caring. It's okay to learn. Learning means you're going to progress. That is the most important thing. It's moving forward and not backwards, or even worse, standing still. Yes, standing still and doing nothing is worse than going backwards, because backwards there's an effort. We always want to move forward. That's why they say if you fail forward, or you fall forward. But we're going to learn. So don't be afraid to learn. Don't be afraid of the effort that it takes to learn. And stop worrying about what anybody has to say. It's your journey. It's your dream. It's given to you. It's your fruit. We need it. Let's do it. Let's learn together. Ready, set,